Okay, I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna set one on top of the other, and I put it this way. I travel a lot, and I'm really excited that I can actually design my own luggage. I have always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to have my own personalized luggage, and I think they look so good. I cannot wait to see what these look like. They look good when I was designing them. I hope they look good out of the box. So let's get into it. The number 1 rule is to always cut away. Do not do what I was just doing. You always want to make sure that you're careful so you don't pierce through your products. I have many suppliers that I use. I actually I had ordered some from one supplier. They were unable to supply, so I went with a smaller size. Whatever. Ah! Oh, I love it. Yes. Okay, well done. They put the luggage in its own little bag. Isn't that fancy? I think it's fancy. Woo! I'm so excited. The reveal. Reveal. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. You ready for this? Here we go. Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! And voila! Oh my gosh, that is incredible! Oh, I love it! Yes. Give you the turnaround there. Oh my gosh, I have my own roller luggage. Ah! I can't believe it. I can't believe it. This is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, so this is the first design. This is the cabin carry-on luggage. So it's smaller than average carry-on. So you can buy this and not worry about, is this gonna fit? Because it's totally gonna fit. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Love it. All right, that was the first one. I absolutely love the dust protectors. That's a great little feature. I wasn't expecting that. So that was the first one, and I'm gonna get into the second one now. Pop this up here. Yeah, definitely digging that. Definitely digging this one. I can't wait to see what the second design looks like. I tried to do something different with both of them. We'll see how it goes. I love each design. I think they look wonderful. They look good when I was designing them. Again, let's see how it looks now. Cut across here. Cut the sides. scissors away. Right there. Okay. I love it. It's got another protector on it. It's really cool. Nice added feature. Oh, got a bear hug. This one's really stuck in there. There we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you counted, that's probably like, I don't know, the 10th time I've said I'm excited. It's just really exciting. All right, here we go. Reveal on roller luggage number 2. A nice little carrying case. Look at that! Look at that! You're probably just getting all ring light. Didn't even realize it. Oh my gosh. Oh no, there's a little piece down here. Down there, a little piece. Stuck. That is wild. That is so wild. I love it. It's got the little TSA locks. You can travel with the little swivel wheels. I love it. I know you're like, well, what does the inside look like? Let me show you. It has dividers on both sides. Look at that. How cool is that? So, put your toiletries, put your shoes, put your other stuff that you need separated, sandals. I absolutely love it. So these are exclusively designed. I actually do not have these on my site right now. I haven't had much luck with my luggage providers in the past, so I wanted to buy these to see if they're legit and make sure that they're up to my standards, and they are. So I will have these on the site. Probably by the time you see these are on the site. So I'll put the link in the description, and you can get your own roller luggage. This stuff looks amazing. I can tell you, you'll never have somebody else snagging yours when it comes around the turnstile. When you'll be going through the airport, everybody will be looking at your bags. It's amazing. These look so incredible. It's incredible. I am so impressed with how these turned out. So impressive. Ah, I love it. Find all of this and more at shopgavins.com.